Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to Manghilabuta. This is Phil Andrew. Ako si Phil Andrew. Si Phil Andrew din guys. Welcome back sa mga bagod ya. Hello! Manghilabuta kay manghilabot ko og mga stories from Reddit. Mori ako, then mahatag ko sa akong unsolicited advice. So, kani mga episodes, I think isa ra to ka episode nga akong giagian nga ako ba yung gags. Kay previous episodes from last week, kay puro man to ako ba yung gags. So, ato na po tag mga relationship karon kay last time, relationship advice po to siya. For this story, na ako nakitaan nga very interesting ang title. So, akong buhaton day sa mga bag ko. Akong buhaton kay bulantaro ko sa title. If interesting ang title, then ako siyang i-open. Then basahon ako. Then mori ako. Okay. So, this was posted 4 days ago. This is from... Sorry ni burp ko. Cheers. This is from used_comparison 4050. Hello, I'm using your story here in my podcast. If Bisaya ka good, if dili then try your hardest to understand me kinako yung unsolicited nga Bisaya advice. Dili ko bugha, bago rin ako nag-open. Ang tag ani kay romantic and ang title kay My boyfriend of 2 years treat me as a competition and does not like it when I achieve something. Oh my gosh. This is very interesting. Kaya wala ko ka-try ani. So let's see. Original poster, ang post ani kay 22 years old nga female, ug iyang boyfriend kay 21 years old. Okay, and the story goes. I have a source of income as I built a business about 4 years ago. Wait, let's do that again. I have a source of income as I built a business about 4 years ago. Income has been good and I was able to save money because of this. There was this time that I was browsing on my online bank account and he saw my savings. It was 6 digits bayet. Oh my gosh. Wow. Sana all. Then he got quiet and avoidant. He started comparing himself to me. Then the quarrel was resolved. Days passed. I noticed a pattern on him that he would not like it when I'll get higher score than him on exams. Minsan, tumatahimik siya bigla or nababad trip. Then days before, he would be avoidant of me or like humble me in certain things. Kapag nagkakamali ako, he'd like to criticize me. Wow. Fast forward, may mabigat na nangyari and he apologized of being competitive and how he pushed me away, then he promised he would change. Months after, nagbago naman. Then syempre, mas lumaki na ipon ko. One time, he saw my savings again because he was speaking on my phone. He was shocked na malapit na makaabot ng 7 digits. Wow, good for you, girl! Takpak! After that hangout, he initiated a breakup. What? Wala ko kasagang sa breakup. Sorry. Why? I mean, pa rin sa ta. After that hangout, he initiated a breakup kasi di niya raw ako deserve and I deserve someone who's financially stable and insecure siya, girl. Syempre, di ako pumayag. Naging okay ulit. Kaso, there was this day ulit, nakita na naman niya sa phone ko how many orders I got and yung amount. Inaway niya ako. He said he's envious of me. He even unfollowed my business account. Wow. He said I did not deserve earning that money and I am a cheater who manipulates the system like other businessmen. Wow. Gusto niya raw kung naghihirap siya. Kasama niya partner niya sa paghihirap at sumabay umasenso. Wait, what? Gusto niya raw kung naghihirap siya, kasama niya partner niya sa paghihirap at sumabay umasenso. Wow, misery loves company. Oh, wow. He's projecting. Yan ako advice, Phil. Ang sabi ko, di naman realistic yon. At kung pagbaliktarin ko man sitwasyon namin, di naman ako magrereklamo or di naman problema sa kanya dahil gusto niya siya ang dominant. Typical male behavior. Is this just a phase? Does this normally happen in a relationship? Is it normal if your partner feels envious of your success? No. Am I D for still staying? What's D? Sorry. Bogo ko. Will this relationship still be able to work? End of story. Oh my gosh. Okay. Here's the thing. Real talk na punta. Unsa di ay definition sa partner? Diba? Ato nang i-literal nga define. Partner meaning. According to Google, either of a pair of people engaged together in the same activity, either member of a married couple or of an established unmarried couple. So, unsa magyud ng partner in a relationship. So, di ba? Partner mo. Walay competition. Uyab man mo. So, iyang insecurities, for me, makasulti ka nga face na siya sa imong personal life. But if you're in a relationship, pila na mo ka years? 2 years? Anak gyapon siya? I don't think so, girl. I mean, he's doing you a favor actually pag-break pag-initiate niya sa breakup. And I understand again nga love nimo ang tawo blah blah blah. Now, wala na akong minaliit ng love ha kay lahi-lahi magud jud pud ta og definition sa love. But you have to talk about it. Pasabta siya nga this is not a competition. I thought we love each other. And with love comes understanding, with love comes patience, with love comes I don't know what else to say. Nag-project na siya, pag-ingon niya nimo nga ganahan siya agiyahang partner kay magkalisod pud kay parang dungan sila magasenso. So, you're not for him. I mean, dili grabe po na nga mindset, oy. Ako, mas malipay ko nga, okay, good for you. It's not like maka-benefit ka sa nga situation, money-wise, kay naram po na sa imuhang partner kung i-share ba na niya sa imuha or dili. But regardless of that, you should be happy kay your partner is thriving, di ba? Murabag, ma-inspire pa gani ka dapat nga, okay, ingani akong partner, ako pod. Naman ko'y competition nga, healthy competition. Para nako, ilisan ako siya nga term to inspiration instead of competition. Kay, ang competition, eventually, especially if you're not careful with your emotions and with your mood and with your kanang ego and all that, ma-fall man gud siya into away and lalis and unnecessary nga mga bickering and all that. So instead of using the term competition, para nako, use the word inspiration. Kay, ma-inspire ka dapat sa mong partner to do better and be better. Right? You help each other be better among all things. Dili kay maniid ka nga ha, ako pud. Unsa da imong giapas ana nga relationship? And ang iyang mentality kay very abi kay siya mo lalaki, siya dapat ang mo dominate, siya dapat ang mas kana nga mga insecure nga mga tawo no, nga mga lalaki most specifically nga dili sila kadawat nga ang babayi thriving kay naanad sila years, centuries ago nga ang babayi sige moy that's another topic for another day. Naanad sila nga ang mga babayi sige moy naasa murag sila sige ang damsel in distress nga save me, you're my knight in shining armor. Naanad sila ngin ana sige ang mga babayi nga kailangan jud nila ang lalaki sa ilang life. Kana nga mga mentality, oh my gosh, you should change that, you guys. If you're a straight man, if you're a straight guy there nga laminaw ka, change that perception, change that mentality kay 2024 na ta mga bayet, equality na taron. Anything can do anything. Anyone can do anything. Sagod ni. Wala na nga mentality nga abi kay babae dili nila ma-achieve nangin ana. Kailangan dapat ang lalaki sige ang financially stable. No. I can do this all day. I mean, I can talk about this all day when it comes to this topic. Especially this Pilipinas. Napagid uban, especially this mga lugar nga, you know, if you know what I mean. Kulang pa jud education when it comes to that. Kulangan pa jud og kana kulitog sa ilahang mga utok nga wala na siya nga mentality. Maba inyong paglantaw sa mga babae. Then if mo thrive gani ang babae, mo feel threatened din ng mga lalaki. What's up with that? Girl, 2 years na mo, talk about that. If available, di magug kaayo rampant ning I don't know, wala lang jud ko siguro ni try good. Mostly ang mga dili kayo, nobody's really talking about therapy here in the Philippines. That's a fact. But if makita mo marriage counseling, go ahead. Find a therapist nga kamong duha if willing siya. But I doubt. Saya pa lang, ni-judge na ko. But if dili, then paningkamuti lang makasabot siya nga, no, we're all in this together. High School Musical. So if dili gyapon siya, if nagyapon na siyang mindset nga misery loves company nga kailangan dili ka successful kay dili siya successful, no. And again, it's easier said than done. Let him go. Let that relationship go. You deserve someone nga who will cheer you up, who will be behind you, beside you, in front of you, everywhere. Nga mo support sa imuha, nga mo accept sa imuha for who you are, kung sa imong na-achieve, kung sa imong status nimo financially. That person nga walay pake sa imuhang financial status, nga ang iyang giapas is relationship, you know, kana ma-feel na nimo nga soulmate gud nimo siya, kana mo'y pangitaa. You'll be wasting your time with this kind of person if dili siya mo change. Puro lagi let go akong mga advice karong panahon na. Okay, naghilabot ako. See you on my next episode. Bye-bye. Cheers.